Hi guys, good morning. Good morning everybody. Wow, what a blessing when we woke up. Thank you, Lord. Guys, look. It's raining. Oh, thank you, Lord. What a blessing. Wow, I am so happy. Wow, Philip's right really. She said it will rain. And but I think I remember that one is gonna next week, but it happens now. Wow, thank you, Lord. Anyhow, I won't complain. We need a lot of water. We need a lot of rains. Oh, you know, guys, last night we have a fire next to our property here, and then I am so thankful that Philip and Ondoy and Otol, they're helping Philip. Oh my God. If they did not stop that fire, I don't think so. We're gonna lose our property too, because the ground is so super dry and dark brown. And then, you know, here so many dead leaves. So I'm just thinking too that the wind did not blow last night. Supposed to be every night we have a wind, and the wind, it is so it is towards us, the wind. So I was really shaking last night, and thanks heaven that some of our neighbor, even if they arrive almost done the fire, but I'm just so happy that they come up there and they help a little bit to Philip and Ondoy and Otto. Philip, he go out and turn the pile. I am not sure when the rain start, but Philip go out. When I woke up, he's not here anymore. And really last night it was I can't really I can't forget the fire. So good thing that when we were having a dinner last night, I go out. Then when I saw, oh my God, the fire, and I shouted, Philip, the fire, you should go there and stop the fire. And they go quick there and run the tricycle. So I know that there is always watching us here. So thank you so much, Lord, for watching over us. So this might be the end of the rain now. So at least it rained. All my plants very happy again. And I am happy too that it rained today, because last night we have fire next to our property here. So it will help a little bit. Wow. This is really a blessing. Totally blessing. You know, every day here we have a seems like almost 40 degrees hot. So the sky is still blue, hazy. I wish it will rain whole day. Wow, What a blessing. Thank you, Lord. Hey guys, the rain stopped again. So it might rain again. You should see the sky. It's still hazy a little bit. But I am not sure what kind of weather is this. But when Philip talked to me yesterday, he said that there is a rain next week. And looks like he told me last night that the forecast changed. And now it happened, it rained, so I won't complain. We need a lot of rain to survive our vegetables, the plants, flowers, trees, so we can have water to collect water. And I guess now when they're starting collecting water, I'm just so happy that he is here, so he helped me. If he's not around here, I'm the one who collect the water. So I guess this is I'm going to say goodbye for now, guys, so I can do something more today, cooking some food and cleaning some stuff here. So bye guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to like and comment and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.